वेलकम टू माय चैनल KR लर्निंग चैनल में आपका स्वागत है।
Opposite words. Big, small. Big and small. Big hot air balloon. Small gas balloon. Hot, cold. Hot and cold. Hot soup and cold ice cream. Tall, short. Tall and short. Tall giraffe. Short rabbit. Open. This door is open. Close. This door is closed. Open and close. Inside. The dog is sitting inside the kennel. Outside. The dog is sitting outside the kennel. Inside and outside. Heavy. Light. Heavy and light. Heavy truck. Light bicycle. Wet. Dry. Wet and dry. The boy is wet. The girl is dry. Few. Many. Few and many. There are few leaves in a sapling. There are many leaves in a tree. Happy. These children are happy. Sad. These children are sad. Happy and sad. Fast. Slow. Fast and slow. Full. Empty. Full and empty. This basket is full of apples and this basket is empty.